I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and cable. Plug a reliable USB cable into your phone and Uconnect. This is the only supported method for Google Maps on many Uconnect units. On your phone, open Settings and enable Android Auto. Grant location, microphone, and notification permissions. Once done, unlock the phone and leave the screen on. This prevents permission prompts from blocking the connection. Make sure car ignition is on and the Uconnect screen is awake so the system can detect the phone. After connecting, select Android Auto on the Uconnect display. You should see the Google Maps icon. Tap it to launch Maps. Sign into your Google account if the app asks. This syncs recent destinations and preferences. You can use voice by saying, "Hey Google," or press the steering wheel voice button to keep hands-free. Alternatively, touch the map to search. Once you pick a route, confirm prompts on screen and in the phone if any safety reminders appear. Then start navigation and follow turn-by-turn guidance. Complete your setup by testing voice prompts and rerouting. Use the steering wheel controls to zoom or mute. This keeps you focused. If directions are quiet or missing, make sure phone volume and Uconnect media source are correct, and disable Bluetooth audio that can steal navigation prompts. If maps won't display, unplug and replug the USB, try another cable or USB port, and reboot both phone and Uconnect. These simple resets resolve most connection errors quickly. If problems persist, update phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.